Installing 2x2 foot wood grain foam tiles with universal interlocking edges is simple. No tools are needed for floating or island installations. For wall-to-wall installations, all you'll need is a tape measure, sharp utility knife, and a straight edge. Each tile comes with 2 border strips, one with a corner piece and one without. Begin in the corner of a clean, hard, and flat floor surface, leaving at least 1/4 inch gap between the tiles and the wall. Foam floors can expand with heat and humidity, and especially with direct sunlight. As you expand out from the corner, remove the border strips with corners. Edge border strips may remain in place as you follow the wall, but will need to be removed for center tiles. Connect your tiles by pushing the puzzle-style interlocks together. It does not matter which direction the tiles face with universal interlocking tiles, as each interlocking edge is the same. However, you may want to pay attention to the direction of the wood grain. Continue working out from the corner until no more full tiles fit. Then measure the distance between the installed tiles and the walls or other obstacles. Mark the tile you'd like to cut with a pen and cut it to fit using a utility knife. Be sure to use a straight edge guide and a sharp blade. Lay the cut tiles to fit flush with the remaining walls, minus your gap for expansion. This will prevent your foam floor from buckling or bubbling. For finished edges on islands or floating installations, reconnect border strips in those areas. Wood grain foam tiles come in 3 different wood grains: dark wood, light wood, and cork. The EVA foam puzzle mats are non-absorbent and easy to keep clean. Simply vacuum without a rotating brush, sweep with a broom, or use a damp mop with common household floor cleaner.